welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of berries. From the familiar sweetness of a sun-ripened strawberry to the exotic allure of the acai berry, hidden deep within the Amazon, the world of berries is as diverse as it is delicious. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of these botanical wonders. We'll explore their vibrant colors, unique flavors, and the remarkable ways they've woven themselves into the tapestry of human culture, from ancient remedies to modern cuisine. Get ready to discover all the types of berries that exist. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer variety and wonder that nature has to offer in the extraordinary world of berries. The strawberry. A true icon of the berry world, instantly recognizable with its vibrant red hue and scattering of tiny seeds. But did you know that those seeds are actually individual fruits themselves, each containing a tiny seed within? The strawberry, a member of the rose family, thrives in sunny locations across the globe, from the rolling hills of California to the fertile fields of France. Its juicy flesh and sweet, tangy flavor have captivated taste buds for centuries. Cultivated for millennia, strawberries have graced the tables of emperors and commoners alike. Ancient Romans believed them to possess medicinal properties, while medieval monks cultivated them in their monastery gardens. Today, strawberries continue to delight, whether enjoyed fresh from the garden, dipped in chocolate, or transformed into jams, pies, and countless other culinary creations. So, the next time you savor the sweetness of a strawberry, take a moment to appreciate the long and fruitful history of this beloved berry. Our journey now takes us deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a realm teeming with life and home to the acai berry. This small, round fruit, with its deep purple skin and large seed, has been a staple food for indigenous communities for centuries. The acai palm, a towering giant reaching heights of over 60 feet, produces clusters of these nutrient-packed berries. Harvested by skilled climbers who scale the palms with remarkable agility, acai berries are a vital source of sustenance and income for local communities. Prized for its rich, chocolatey flavor and impressive nutritional profile, the acai berry has earned the title of superfruit. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it's no wonder that the acai berry has taken the world by storm. From smoothies and bowls to supplements and skincare products, the acai berry has become a global phenomenon, sharing the bounty of the Amazon with the world. Yet, as we enjoy its benefits, it's crucial to remember the importance of sustainable harvesting practices to protect the rainforest and support the communities who have nurtured this remarkable fruit for generations. Venturing into the tangled hedgerows and sun-dappled woodland edges, we encounter the blackberry, a wild and wonderful fruit often mistaken for its close relative, the dewberry. But fear not, for a keen eye can discern the subtle differences. Blackberries, with their clusters of plump, glossy drupelets, ripen to a deep, almost black hue, while dewberries, often smaller and sweeter, boast a dusky blue tint. Both, however, offer a burst of juicy flavor that captures the essence of summer. These wild berries have long been a favorite foraging treat, their thorny vines yielding sweet rewards to those patient enough to gather them. From pies and crumbles to jams and cordials, blackberries add a touch of rustic charm to any culinary creation. But their allure extends beyond the kitchen. Blackberries have a rich history of use in traditional medicine, their leaves and roots employed for their astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. So the next time you encounter a tangle of blackberry vines, take a moment to appreciate the wild beauty and bounty of this often overlooked berry. Our journey continues with a visit to the blueberry, a tiny titan of the nutrient world. Don't let their diminutive size fool you. These little blue gems pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Native to North America, blueberries have been a staple food for indigenous communities for centuries, revered for their sweet flavor and potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants, known as anthocyanins, are responsible for the blueberry's vibrant hue and are believed to play a role in protecting against various diseases. From improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of heart disease to boosting the immune system and fighting inflammation, blueberries have earned their reputation as a true superfood. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or incorporated into smoothies, muffins, or pancakes, blueberries offer a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your well-being. So embrace the power of the blueberry and experience the remarkable health benefits packed within these tiny blue wonders. Our quest for berry wisdom leads us now to the elderberry, a fruit steeped in folklore and revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Found growing in hedgerows and woodlands across Europe, Asia and North America, the elderberry has a long and storied history. Often shrouded in myth and legend, the elder tree, with its gnarled branches and clusters of dark purple berries, was once believed to possess magical powers. In Norse mythology, it was associated with the goddess Freya, while Celtic tradition held that the elder tree protected against evil spirits. Beyond folklore, the elderberry has a well-documented history of use in traditional medicine. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, elderberry extracts have been used to alleviate cold and flu symptoms, boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. Today, elderberry syrup, lozenges and capsules are popular natural remedies, while elderflower cordial, a refreshing summer drink, offers a delightful taste of the elder tree's bounty. So, whether seeking relief from a seasonal ailment or simply enjoying a taste of tradition, the elderberry continues to offer its healing gifts to the modern world. Our berry adventure now transports us to the slopes of the Himalayas, where the vibrant red goji berry thrives in the thin mountain air. For centuries, this small oblong fruit has been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine, revered for its life-enhancing properties. Known as the wolfberry in some cultures, the goji berry is believed to promote longevity, enhance vitality, and boost overall well-being. Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners have long incorporated goji berries into tonics and remedies, valuing their ability to nourish the blood, support the liver and kidneys, and improve eyesight. Beyond their medicinal applications, goji berries have also found their way into the culinary traditions of Asia. Their slightly tart, subtly sweet flavor adds a unique dimension to teas, soups, porridges, and trail mixes. Today, the goji berry's popularity has spread far beyond the East, with health enthusiasts worldwide embracing its nutritional benefits. Whether enjoyed as a snack, added to smoothies, or incorporated into traditional Asian dishes, the goji berry offers a taste of the Orient and a glimpse into the wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Our pursuit of berry treasures now leads us to the remote and unforgiving landscapes of the Arctic tundra, where the elusive cloudberry makes its home. This rare and delicate fruit, a true symbol of resilience, thrives in the harsh conditions of the far north, offering a burst of flavor amidst the stark beauty of its surroundings. The cloudberry, with its pale amber-hued drupelets, resembles a tiny raspberry, but possesses a unique flavor profile all its own. Its tart, tangy notes reminiscent of citrus and apricot have captivated palates for centuries, making it a prized delicacy in Nordic countries. Harvesting cloudberries is no easy feat. The short growing season and remote locations make it a challenging and often perilous task, requiring knowledge of the land and a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. Once gathered, cloudberries are transformed into jams, jellies and sauces, their vibrant flavor adding a taste of the Arctic to traditional Scandinavian cuisine. They are also enjoyed fresh, their tartness, a welcome contrast to the richness of reindeer meat and other traditional dishes. So, the next time you encounter the cloudberry, whether in a jar of jam or on a plate of Arctic char, take a moment to appreciate the resilience and unique flavor of this elusive treasure of the North. Our journey into the world of berries takes a cautious turn as we encounter the deadly nightshade, a plant whose alluring beauty belies its potentially lethal nature. Found growing in shady woodlands and wastelands across Europe, Asia and North America, the deadly nightshade is a stark reminder that not all berries are meant for consumption. Its glossy black berries, resembling small cherries, contain potent toxins that can have severe, even fatal consequences if ingested. Every part of the plant, from its roots and leaves to its stems and berries, is poisonous, posing a serious risk to humans and animals alike. Throughout history, the deadly nightshade has been associated with folklore and superstition. Its toxic properties were known in ancient times, and it gained a reputation as a plant of witchcraft and sorcery. Extracts from the plant were used in potions and poisons, their effects both feared and revered. While the deadly nightshade's toxic nature makes it a plant to be avoided, it also serves as a reminder of the power and complexity of the natural world. It highlights the importance of respecting the delicate balance of nature and the need for caution when encountering unfamiliar plants. Remember, while the world of berries offers a bounty of delicious and nutritious treasures, it also holds hidden dangers that demand our respect and awareness. Our berry exploration now takes us to the windswept dunes and coastal cliffs where the sea buckthorn thrives. This hardy shrub, with its silvery leaves and clusters of vibrant orange berries, is a testament to nature's ability to flourish in even the harshest of environments. Sea buckthorn berries, with their tart, tangy flavor, have long been a source of sustenance and traditional medicine in Europe and Asia. Rich in vitamins C, A, and E, as well as antioxidants and essential fatty acids, these little berries pack a powerful nutritional punch. For centuries, sea buckthorn berries have been used to boost the immune system, improve skin health, and aid in digestion. Their oil, extracted from the berries and seeds, is a sought-after ingredient in cosmetics and skincare products, renowned for its moisturizing, healing, and anti-aging properties. From coastal dunes to cosmetic creations, the sea buckthorn berry demonstrates the remarkable versatility of nature's bounty. Its ability to thrive in challenging environments, coupled with its impressive nutritional profile and diverse applications, makes it a true marvel of the plant world. As our journey through the world of berries draws to a close, we encounter the raspberry, a fitting finale for our exploration of these delectable and diverse fruits. With their delicate texture, sweet tart flavor, and alluring aroma, raspberries embody the essence of summer's bounty. From the familiar red raspberries that grace our breakfast tables to the more exotic golden and black varieties, these aggregate fruits, composed of numerous drupelets clustered around a central core, offer a symphony of flavors and textures. Raspberries have been cultivated for centuries, their origins tracing back to Europe and Asia. Their wild ancestors still grow in woodlands and hedgerows, their presence a testament to the enduring allure of this beloved berry. And here's a fun fact to end our journey. Raspberries are a member of the rose family, their delicate flavor and aroma hinting at their floral lineage. So the next time you savor the sweetness of a raspberry, remember that you're experiencing a taste of summer, a touch of the wild, and a hint of the rose garden, all in one delightful bite. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through the fascinating world of berries. We've explored their diverse forms, from the familiar to the exotic, uncovering their hidden depths and appreciating their remarkable contributions to our planet and our lives. But our journey doesn't end here. There's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to savor in the ever-evolving realm of nature's bounty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating videos. See you next time.